Welcome to Ethical Situation Presentation by Ziervogel, Unit 9 for Ethical Considerations in Education. So here we are, we're based in the emergency room, and we have a mom and a daughter who is in with asthma exacerbation. And the nurse is gathering information and learns that the daughter mom has been into the emergency room several times, just about a couple weeks ago, and with the same problem. And so they're not sure what's going on. And so the nurse is starting to inquire and says, I think I need some more information. And so she's like, seems as if they've been here before. What's going on and why do they keep coming back? So she's questioning in her mind. And she goes on to believe that she needs to do a chart review and see what's going on with the chart to see what the full situation of the problem is. And then maybe she can get to the root of the problem or see what's going on. So in the chart review, she finds out that the daughter has been seen in the emergency room 6 times in the last month, and the mother's not following the discharge plan, and so the nurse is starting to wonder, what is going on? And I think I need to talk to the doctor. And she thinks, and also, is this a case of neglect? And I'm a mandated reporter, and I'm wondering if I need to report it. Maybe we're at this situation. She's been in the emergency room several times for the same issue, and this may need to go over her head. So she starts inquiring and getting the 800 number for the hotline, and then she decides she'd talk to the doctor before she took that drastic step. And the doctor was adamant that it gets reported because he knows that he's taken care of this patient several times and that he's given prescriptions and given follow-ups. The problem is in the afternoon or in the evening, they can't make the appointments for him, and they're not sure what's going on with the office and if they're not getting back to him or what's going on. And again, he's adamant that it gets reported. The mother isn't following through. She's neglecting the child's health. And the nurse is like, maybe we need to involve social services first. Maybe there's something else that needs to be done before we can go ahead and take it to this step. And the doctor actually says to the nurse, give me the number. If you're not going to report it, then I will. And is emphatic about this. The nurse is still kind of trying to smooth it over and seeing if there's something else that she can do. Seeing if she can find the social worker before the doctor actually calls it in, and seeing if she can take that route. And maybe she can go in and talk with the family and see what's going on and maybe make it better. But she's torn because she knows that she is a mandated reporter and that it is an ethical situation, an ethical dilemma. She's torn between having a family of her own and having kids, and knowing that it's hard. It's hard when you're working, and it's hard to get that taken care of. And so they keep talking about it, and the doctor finally decides to go. He's not having anything to do with this. And then so what is the main ethical problem? Does this indeed need to be reported? Is this a case of neglect? Why or why not?